The rain already has come to San Jose for a while this afternoon, and that is a major concern for residents of this neighborhood who were forced out of their homes with water as high as their waist. Now, the city, as well as city officials and the water district, say that they are going to be giving earlier alerts, and they're also going to be using wall-piercing loudspeakers. 9 months after Coyote Creek flooded entire neighborhoods, elected officials think they've made progress to never let it happen again.
It seems to me we have an opportunity now in the wake of something that was pretty damaging here to our community to think about a different approach.
And the approach is a joint emergency action plan by San Jose and the Valley Water District to alert residents earlier and to manage potential flooding. No more passing the buck.
It's to start looking at preparedness and mitigation in a collaborative way instead of saying, it's your turn, no, it's your turn, no, it's your turn. It really brings us together at the same table, talking about the same issues, addressing in common issues that we can together.
The red dots on this board reflect public input saying they want alerts over their cell phones when waters rise and threaten to flood their homes. That system is now in place. Crews were working today on installing sheet piling to keep Coyote Creek from future flooding. But more work needs to be done at a cost no one has yet pinned down.
They could be in the tens of millions of dollars or beyond, so we just don't have a final number at this point.
And who's going to pick up the bill?
Well, that's still a question that we haven't answered yet.
41 families, or 126 people, are still living in temporary housing from last February's floods. The expensive rental market is the culprit.
Many of them were in households where they were sharing an apartment. So there were two families in one apartment. And while one of the families was able to return, the other family was not.
San Jose's housing director says those 41 families still out of permanent housing may end up having to move to other neighborhoods or possibly even to other cities because of that problem. They are saying that they're going to try to work very hard to try to keep them, though, in the same neighborhoods where the families prefer to stay because their kids can then stay in the same schools and be near families and friends. We're live in San Jose. David Louie, ABC 7 News.